Okay, so we begin with the next topic, the third type of coordinate system for the particles which are moving on a curved path, that is the polar coordinate system. In this we'll have radial and transverse coordinates. Okay, the movement of a particle is traced with respect to radial direction and transverse direction. Suppose I take this curved path. There is a particle at point P. P is at a distance of r from the origin. The direction of OP is known as the radial direction, and the direction perpendicular to the radial direction will be the transverse direction. Okay, so this is the radial direction, this is the transverse direction. The position vector in the radial direction will be ER, the position vector in the transverse direction will be E theta. Now, let us consider ER, which is the unit vector along the radial direction, and E theta, which is the unit vector along the transverse direction. So the same thing, I am redrawing it over here. ER, E theta. ER is at an angle of theta with the x-axis. This will become 90 minus theta. This is theta again, and this is 90 minus theta. So we'll derive an expression for the velocity of a particle along the radial direction, a transverse direction, and the acceleration along the radial and transverse direction. To begin with, I can write ER as cos theta I in the vector form plus sin theta j. Similarly, E theta can be written as minus sin theta I plus cos theta j. Differentiate these both with respect to theta. This is what you get. So d ER by d theta is nothing but E theta, equation 1. d E theta by d theta is nothing but minus ER. This is equation 2. Now the time derivatives of these two unit vectors can be written as ER by dr, der by d theta can be written as der by d theta into d theta by dt. Similarly, d theta by dt can be written as d theta by d theta into d theta by dt. Okay, so this is nothing but E theta. This one I am calling it as theta dot. So the first derivative of theta I am calling it as theta dot. Same thing over here. This is nothing but ER, and the first derivative of theta is theta dot. That is what I have written over here. Now the velocity component, velocity as we know is nothing but dr by dt. So d by dt of r vector is nothing but r into position vector ER. So expanding this, this is what I get. So the equation for velocity will be r dot means dr by dt into ER plus r theta dot into E theta. So this r dot is nothing but velocity in the radial direction. This r theta dot is nothing but velocity in the transverse direction. So what you have to remember is total velocity is this. R dot is velocity in the radial direction. R theta dot is the velocity in the transverse direction. Total velocity is given by Vr square plus V theta square, and the direction of the velocity will be tan inverse